Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is a scalable accounting solution that can help integrate all of the different aspects of your business. With this type of solution, it can be the last accounting system you will ever need to implement. How can I start using Microsoft Business Central? Until now, this complete accounting system has meant you needed a consultant to help you set up the solution. The different options were: you can do a fully customizable solution with an implementation partner, or a pre-packaged option where a partner implements a predetermined set of features. Now with Launchpad, the implementation tool for Microsoft Business Central, it adds a new way to get started with the system, a self-guided implementation. So what does it mean to have a self-guided implementation? With Launchpad, we have automated the setup and configuration process with a tool built into the system to let you configure Business Central yourself. How is this possible? Because the system has been designed so that you only need to implement features that you need right now. This wizard will take you through the steps in order to ensure that you are configuring the system in accordance to best practices. The wizard is like having an experienced Business Central consultant right next to you, guiding you to understand what needs to be configured without having to know all of the ins and outs of the system the first time you see it. The wizard will do all the heavy lifting for you. Just answer some questions about how you want the system to work, and we'll automate the setup. There's lots of help along the way. Videos, tutorials, and a detailed knowledge base are built right into the system. Just click View Help. And if you get stuck, don't hesitate to book a call with our expert consultants from within the system. Our US and UK based teams are ready to answer any questions you have or just to review best practices. Launchpad isn't limited to just your implementation. After you go live, your subscription includes access to our rich knowledge base of videos, articles, and tutorials, along with access to our help desk team. They will be there to ensure you're using the system to its full potential. So what does this service cost? In addition to the cost of Business Central license, there are different support subscriptions available depending on the features you need. You can increase your subscription package if new modules or features are required. Our core package allows you to get started on Business Central with the basic accounting features, but with the ability to integrate M365 so that you can get the most out of the tools you are already using on a regular basis. The standard package includes all the features of the core in addition to inventory management. This module will give you a complete control of stock levels, locations, lead times, and pricing. Finally, our Pro package includes everything in the core and standard subscriptions, but built for growing companies who need transactions across multiple legal entities and multiple currencies. So what's next? Already know that Business Central is right for you? You can start right away by purchasing it on the Launchpad website. Want to see it in action first? Click on the guided trial experience on the Microsoft website. Not sure if this makes sense for your business? Speak to someone who can talk you through the different implementation paths available to you. You can start also by learning more at launchpadforbusinesscentral.com.